Hey guys, today I went to the shops and I got a lot of engines, so let's get into it. I'm going to try to take this all in one shot so it will be a long video. I got a lot. I'm going to start off with the one that I've been waiting for the most. I got a pull-along Edward. Finally, I haven't got a Toby yet, but I will. I do plan on buying a Toby. So just open him. Oh my gosh, look at him! Oh my gosh, he's so splendid. Oh shoot! Yeah, he's Edward. His face looks good, I guess. He's very, like, he's not that long, but he's here. Got the number 2. This tent is basically just reused. Okay. His wheel configuration is very accurate. It says Edward here. So, yeah. Not much to say about Edward. I'll be putting him in the background. Let's get my next smallest thing. And there, that is a Trackmaster Ashima. So this was like $8 maybe. Brand new. So freaking hard. Open. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's got these pipes. Good. The wheels are fine. There's not much to say about these guys. Just that they're cool. I do like the printing on it, but I feel like this one could be a bit better. It's a bit blurry. And I feel like the wagon choice could have been a little bit better. Anyway, we got another Trackmaster, Percy. This is the Percy's mail delivery. Let's open this one. Shish. Oh, nah. Oh, there's like a manual or something. Oh, there's tape on it. No, that just kind of erupted. Here's Percy. My favorite part about it is that you can take this box here. You can actually like put it in. And like you can grab it out. Like it feels like all the Thomas sets have that flatbed. I think this mail van / utility van is really good. I love these. I will be purchasing some more. Wait, why would I be? And no, I wouldn't. I won't be purchasing some more. I would be purchasing. That doesn't sound right. Purchasing some more engines. This one is one that you kind of have to get in two because it's like a set. It is Construction Wreck and Roll Cully the Crane and Construction Thomas and Terrence. This is, yeah. I'm trying to take this all in one shot, as I said in the start. So, just let's, like, you know what? Screw it. Let's just. And if you actually try to whip this out, the tracks are actually muddy on the thing. See? Nice touch, I like that. here's Carly. Now, my favourite thing about Carly is, look, there's a mini crane that can come off its flatbed, but you can take this, right, and this can extend. You can actually put it on like this. And it's really cool. And then you've got Carly. She looks amazing. They look amazing, by the way. It's like all banged up, scratched up. And it's like a wrecking ball instead of a crane arm. So I find that really fun. And that's... Oh, no, that's not it. I still got this. Rip it open. Hold on, guys. I'm opening this on this side because yeah, because that's it. Okay. So I think this might be like our first ever Terrence the Tractor and All Engines Go match. Here's Thomas. So intimidating. And then we got Terrence the Tractor, who has wheels on the bottom. I wish they put some mud on him. Like, it's like amazing Thomas, and it's like a default horrible Terrence. I mean, I see it, but I don't really like it. I do like the contrast between blue and yellow, though. Orange and yellow, I think they're a bit too similar. Of course they have to come with these stupid flatbeds. I hate the flatbeds, honestly. But we also have this mud pile. Kind of looks like a ramp. Stupid flatbed. And then we got another flatbed. Because of course we do. Okay, anyway guys, that's a 7-minute video. Okay, bye.